Replace the line with the circle. The transition to the circular economy. The line. Extract, produce, use, discard. This is linear economy, and it has been the standard of production and consumption since the Industrial Revolution. It is based on the idea that natural resources are unlimited and can be used and discarded. But the truth is that we have only one planet and many natural resources are running out. And climate change, pollution, loss of biodiversity, show the environmental degradation that this pattern leads to. The circle. In nature, there is no waste. Materials circulate in cycles energized by the sun. This is the model to follow, in which the circular economy is inspired. The circular economy aims to keeping the products and materials at their maximum value for as long as possible, removing waste through strategies of dematerialization and of reduction, reuse, recovery and recycling of products and materials. Replace the line with the circle. 10 basic ideas on the transition to the circular economy. It is in the design phase of products, services, and business models that conditions are created for circularity to work. Then it is much more difficult. Think about functionality instead of products. Could the services satisfy the needs? Analyze where value is created and destroyed to identify how to retain value. Recycling should be the last option, because it is the one that retains the least value. Circularity is not a guarantee of sustainability. It is necessary to address the environmental, economic, and social impact of solutions. Analyze the entire life cycle when searching and evaluating solutions. For example, the use of recycled materials with hazardous substances in the production of t-shirts can damage human health and create environmental problems. Involving stakeholders in building solutions leads to better results. Be audacious and take the first step towards circular economy. Set an example. Understand the consumer and their consumption patterns to have impact on change and find sustainable solutions. It is essential to make circular solutions attractive to consumers. Sustainability and circularity are only parts of the value proposition. If the consumer doesn't see benefits, doesn't join, solutions that also contribute to job creation and the development of local communities have a better chance to succeed. Companies that follow the path of the circular economy are more competitive, able to access more demanding markets and obtain greater added value in their products. Information available here.